You are and your MacBook Air just suffered a liquid spill threatening permanent screen and keyboard damage. This guide shows exact immediate steps. First, disconnect power and force shut down your MacBook Air. This cuts power, stopping short circuits before irreversible harm. If that doesn't secure it, the next crucial step is external drying. Gently wipe all visible liquid from the screen and keyboard with a lint-free cloth, avoiding aggressive scrubbing. This prevents surface corrosion and deeper seepage. After external drying, position your MacBook Air to drain internal moisture. Place it open, tented screen down on an absorbent towel. Gravity pulls liquid out, minimizing internal spread. Finally, for serious MacBook Air liquid spills, professional assessment is non-negotiable. Do not power on or disassemble it. Internal corrosion continues silently. Experts safely inspect, clean and repair hidden damage, saving your device and data. Act fast.